Hey, so what do you do when your Dyson V7 vacuum cleaner battery goes on you? Now, this one right now will run for about 3 minutes. Not enough to clean very much. So, what do? You throw it out? No, of course not. That's not very economical, is it? So, instead, Amazon to the rescue! So, I found this battery on Amazon for about 50 bucks. It was 52 or something like that. And so I went and I bought it, had it shipped to me, and it actually arrived in one day, which was good. And it comes with lots of packaging, apparently. Oh, and it comes with a screwdriver with one of those zipper, the hell with it. There you go, just force it open. And it comes with a screwdriver. And it comes with the battery. Again, lots of packaging on this. Even a protector for the battery itself. So, we don't need that. Okay, so we're going to replace the battery in the Dyson V7. Now, there's a screw here, and there's a screw here and here, and we're going to use the screwdriver provided to take this screw out. Oh, this is good TV, isn't it? Okay, we'll loosen that off, and it gets to a certain point, and you can remove it. Maybe. Let's try that again. It gets to a certain point, and you can remove the screw. Now, they have included the 3 screws. I'm just going to use the ones that are there now because I'm cheap that way. Actually, it's so I'll always have spares. So, then I could do this, but I'm lazy, so I'll do this instead. Make sure that it's going the right way. We'll find the screwdriver, the screws there, and we will. There we go. So now, in theory, I should be able to pull the battery off. And, of course, this is great TV, Dan. This one, I think, is still holding on. So we'll just use the screwdriver provided and loosen it all the way off. That one is loose. So the battery comes out, and hey, look at that. It even looks like the one I just got, except for, hold it like this. So now I know that I've got the right battery. I can take the screws here. There they are. And like I say, we'll save the screws so that we're using the same screws that were already in the machine. As soon as I figure out where I put the other screws, maybe we're using the ones in the bag. I think we are. Well, this is making for great TV, isn't it? Okay. It's not still in there. So this is the old battery. So we're going to properly dispose of that. We'll probably do a better job of disposing it after this. So we have the new battery, and it's going to go into the unit just the same way as the other one did. Otherwise, what's the point, right? So we're going to make sure that it gets seated properly. And we've got our 2 screws. That we're going to put in there. Now I'm not going to use the drill to put these in. Because just when I don't want to go too tight with the screws. So all we just need to do is be able to get the screwdriver in there, right? Now I hope I didn't throw that other screw away. And you just want to go until you feel some resistance. Don't over tighten. Because when you over tighten, you have the clash of the titans. Not exactly what I was going to say, but hey. So, once you feel resistance, that means that the screw has reached its end point, and the only thing you're going to do is strip the thread if you go further. Right? So once you feel resistance, stop. And then look for your other screw, and not finding it, you take one out of the bag. It's probably on the floor here somewhere because I was throwing everything all over the place. Ha ha ha. Wasn't that funny? Okay. So we'll get the third screw here, and that's going to go in the back here. Now, I wouldn't be able to use the drill on this if I wanted to because I don't have a long shank on the drill. So, yay for the screwdriver. Now, I've had my D7 for a few years now, so it's not surprising that eventually the battery's going to go on you, right? Now, the battery does not come with a full charge on it, so before you use it, make sure you charge it all the way. So hopefully that has been helpful to you. And, for more exciting tips, follow me. I only make them, once every couple of years. Cheers.